point to be noted is that one is Sawaab for reading the Quran, the other is Sawaab for implementing the Quran. If you read Arabic and you don't understand Arabic, how can you implement on the message of the Quran? Whereas if you read in English or Urdu or Bangla, the language you understand the best, you may get a small percentage of Sawaab for reading it. But if you implement on the message, you will get multiple times more Sawaab. So reading Sawaab is one thing in which you get more in Arabic, but implementing is one thing. If you read the Quran with translation and you implement on the message, that you abstain from the things which are haram and do the things which are commanded by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, surely the Sawaab is multiple times more even than reading in Arabic. So the best I would say is that if you don't understand Arabic as a language, the best is you read the Arabic Quran in Arabic and also read the translation. It is the best. You're killing two birds with one stone, so that you get the Sawaab for reading also, and you also get the Sawaab for implementing the message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.